Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to leave a Notion workspace. So come here at the top left, and I want you to click on your profile icon. You will see all the workspaces you're in. Let's say I wanted to leave this one, okay? So first go ahead and select the Notion you want to leave the workspace, right? And if you want to leave this one, come here back at the top left, click on this icon to get this drop down. And then I want you to access settings, right? Click on settings. And then what I need you to do, guys, is come here and click on general for this workspace. So here you'll see the name of the workspace, of course, and here at the very bottom, we have this option to leave the workspace. All you need to do is go ahead and click on this. It will give you your prompt. You just have to confirm that you want to leave. So click on leave again. And here we go. In a few seconds, we would have left right here. And here we go. Let me show you. So if I come back and click on the top left, you'll see I'm only in these two workspaces. So I have left that one successfully. And it's really that easy and simple.